first now we'll describe what is a web usage mining. Okay, the first one, sorry, the web usage mining. Sorry, the third one. The extraction of the information from data generated through web pages, visits, and transactions, data stored in the server access logs, referral logs, agents logs, and client server cookies over there. Logs means the records, for example, how many times the website has been visited over there. So they keep track of that. So keeping track of it and keeping the history of logins is called logs over there, and the cookies as well. So the cookies store the history basically. So if you want to remove the history, so you need to delete the cookies. Usually the cookies, they have the password and usernames, and also they store the css means cascade style sheets to make the performance of the web faster over there. But it is a risk for the security as well, but good for processing, but risk for security. User characteristics and usage profile, like so for that one you need like metadata such as page attribute, that this page is about what. So you have to give some like keywords for every page in the, so in the search optimization engine, and content attributes and the usage attributes. So there is further in the usage, there are so more categorization. One is called click stream, another is called click stream data, and click stream analysis over there. So what is the difference between these two, data and analysis? We will talk about it shortly. Web usage mining application, where we can use the web usage mining: determine the lifetime value of clients over there, design the cross marketing strategy across the product, evaluate the promotional campaigns, especially in marketing it is used in digital marketing, target electronic ads and coupons at the user groups based on the user access pattern. For example, sometime you see that which user is interested in which kind of ads, so you send that. If you want to buy a car, so when you search about the car, the ads relevant to the cars will come. If you want to buy some gold, the ads relevant to the gold will come. If you want to buy some furniture, so the ads relevant to the furniture, IKEA and all that will come to you. Okay, so target electronic ads, predict user behavior based on the previously learned rules and user profiles over there, and present dynamic informations to user based on their interest and profile. So it is same like, for example, if you have a YouTube channel and the number of subscriber increases to 1,000 and your watch time is more than 40,000 hours, okay, so you get paid for that one. Okay, so similar, there's a, it's called web usage mining over there, and they have their own dashboard and analytics, the YouTube.